Hi there. I don't know about you, but I find it really annoying that a serving size of pasta is listed as 2 ounces dry. What does that mean? I need to know how much it is cooked. So I took matters into my own hands and I actually measured out 2 ounces of dry spaghetti. And I will say, I've heard that it's a fistful. It is, but people, it's a really tiny fistful. In fact, this was a much smaller amount than I thought one serving would be. Anyways, I did cook it and drain it, and it did come out to about 2 times as much cooked as dry. It was 4.3 ounces cooked, which equaled, ta-da, 1 cup of cooked pasta, 121 grams. So 2 ounces of dry pasta is 1 cup cooked and 200 calories. So why are portion sizes important when you're trying to save money? Well, being mindful of how much you're using really will stretch your dollar. For example, I always measure the exact amount of laundry detergent I'm using, and my daughter doesn't. She just pours it in, and she goes through about 3 times as much laundry detergent as me, and it drives me a little bit crazy. But if you want to save money, be mindful of how much you're using, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.